Hi everybody, my name is Hannah and this is Pepper and Pine, and today I have a really super simple summer salad recipe to share with you. A lot of these ingredients are from Trader Joe's, but I'm going to show you how you can make some alternatives if you don't have a Trader Joe's near you. The first thing we're using is a bag of organic baby salad greens. You can always just use a head of lettuce. I'm also using some grape tomatoes, and again, you can trade these out for cherry tomatoes or a vine-ripe tomato. I also have a couple of Persian cucumbers. I'm saving those ends for my compost bin, and a red onion. This was a large red onion. You can just use half. I'm going to slice it into very thin slices, and then we're going to top that onto the salad. I also have some organic blueberries, and now the summer part of this summer salad begins. I also have some strawberries, and last we're going to add some raspberries to this salad mix. Next, I'm going to head over to my pantry and grab a couple of nuts. I've got some sliced almonds. You can also use pumpkin seeds. I'm also going to grab my sugar here because I'm going to try something new with some walnuts. So I'm going to go ahead and top the salad with those sliced almonds, and now I'm going to grab some walnuts, and I also have some butter and my sugar, and I'm going to make some candied or sugared walnuts. Now you can make this with butter or oil. You can do this on the stove or in the oven. I was doing this really quickly, and once the butter melts completely, you can just toss it with the brown sugar. I'm placing it into a bowl to let the butter re-solidify a little bit and cool down before topping it on the salad. Next, we want to add a little bit of salt to our salad, as well as a generous amount of balsamic vinegar. And then the last thing we want to add is a little bit of olive oil. I added those candied walnuts on top, and the last thing that you can add to this is some cranberries if you have them. Some dried cranberries are a great alternative if you don't have a lot of summer fruit available. Alright, so this is a family favorite salad, and it is definitely a crowd pleaser. I hope that you try this recipe too, and if you want to see some of the other food tutorials that I have on my channel, don't forget that you can tap on the screen right now and see the complete playlist. And if you're curious to see what we're eating on a daily basis, don't forget that you can find me on Instagram at Pepper and Pine.